What if I told you that you could transform your health, feel stronger, more energized, and even live longer, all without hitting the gym or doing hours of strenuous exercise? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Jordan, working out is essential for staying healthy as I age. What if I told you that there's a simple, powerful way to maintain your health in just 10 minutes a day? No gym, no complicated equipment, and no exhaustion. It sounds too good to be true, right? Trust me, this method can be life-changing for anyone over 70. Stay with me as I show you exactly how 10 minutes a day can make all the difference in your physical and mental well-being. As we get older, we often start to feel the weight of time catching up with us. We hear about the importance of staying active, maintaining our physical health, and pushing ourselves to keep working out, especially as we approach our 70s and beyond. Here's the catch. Most traditional workouts can be too intense, especially if you haven't been keeping up with a regular fitness regimen. Not to mention after 70, you start to realize that it's not always about lifting heavy weights or running long distances. The goal changes. Instead of just pushing through long, exhausting workouts, we start focusing on what keeps us mobile, energized, and mentally sharp. Now, this doesn't mean you need to quit exercising completely or ignore the importance of staying active. What I'm suggesting is a game-changing hack. A simple daily practice that requires just 10 minutes a day, but will help you feel stronger, more flexible, and healthier than traditional workouts alone ever could. Most people think about exercise. They imagine long sessions at the gym or running miles on the treadmill. But as we age, this kind of intense physical strain can become not only difficult, but also counterproductive. Excessive high-impact workouts can put unnecessary stress on the joints, increase the risk of injury, and wear down the body over time. However, here's the truth. Short, focused bursts of activity can be just as effective as traditional lengthy workouts, and in some cases, they can actually be better, especially for those of us over 70. By investing just 10 minutes a day into simple, low-impact exercises, you can boost your strength, enhance mobility, and sharpen your mental focus without the exhaustion that comes with long workout routines. The key is intensity, but not in the way most people think. You don't have to be dripping sweat or running marathons. Instead, you need to engage in movements that target specific areas of the body, promote joint flexibility, and keep the body active and agile. Let's break down the core 10-minute daily activity that I'm recommending. It's simple, manageable, and incredibly effective. This routine is based on movements that increase your mobility, strengthen your muscles, and keep your body moving smoothly without putting strain on your joints or muscles. Let's get into it. Air squats are a fantastic way to build lower body strength without having to deal with the pressure of full squats or heavy weights. They're gentle on the knees and perfect for building stability in the legs and hips. Here's how you do them. Stand in front of a chair with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself down as if you were about to sit in the chair, keeping your knees behind your toes and your back straight. Once you lightly touch the chair with your bottom, push yourself back up to a standing position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Do this movement slowly and deliberately, focusing on controlled motions. This exercise will strengthen your quads, glutes, and hips, which are essential for mobility as we age. Marching in place is one of the simplest and most effective exercises to keep the body active. It's a great low-impact cardio exercise that works your legs, hips, and core. Plus, it's easy to do while you're watching TV or listening to your favorite podcast. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift your right knee towards your chest, then lower it and raise your left knee in the same manner. Keep a steady pace, bringing your knees up as high as is comfortable. Not only does this get your blood pumping, but it also helps improve balance and coordination, both of which are crucial as we get older. This simple movement is great for targeting the muscles in your legs, hips, and core, And it also improves your balance. Stand tall, holding onto the back of a chair for support. Slowly raise your right leg straight out in front of you, keeping your knees straight. Hold for a moment, then lower your leg and repeat on the other side. Alternate legs for the duration of the exercise. Start with 10-15 reps per leg and increase as you get more comfortable. This movement will help to strengthen your hip flexors, quads, and core, which are essential for maintaining posture and stability. Shoulder strength is essential for carrying out daily activities such as lifting groceries or getting up from a chair. The seated shoulder press is ideal for strengthening your upper body without straining your joints. All you need is a pair of light dumbbells, or even a water bottle if you don't have dumbbells. Sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the ground and your back straight. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height with your palms facing forward. Slowly press the weights overhead, then lower them back to the starting position. This movement targets the shoulders, arms, and upper back. Aim for 12-15 reps and keep the movement controlled for maximum benefits. As we age, it's common for the neck and shoulders to become tight from poor posture or sitting for long periods. These areas are critical for maintaining mobility and comfort. Here's a simple stretch to release tension. Sit or stand with your back straight. Slowly tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold for 10-15 seconds, then switch to the other side. Afterward, gently rotate your head forward and backward in small controlled motions to release any built-up tension. The final minute of your 10-minute routine should be dedicated to deep breathing and relaxation. Proper breathing can lower stress, improve circulation, and calm your nervous system. Focus on breathing deeply from your diaphragm and exhaling fully. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. But hold your breath for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. This simple practice of controlled breathing will help reduce stress and promote a sense of relaxation, which is just as important for health as physical movement. Now, you may be wondering, why 10 minutes? Why not an hour of intense exercise? The truth is, 10 minutes of focused movement each day can be just as beneficial as an hour-long workout if done correctly. Here's why. Consistency is key. It's better to commit to a daily 10-minute routine than to struggle through long workouts a few times a week. Funny. Shorter sessions allow you to focus on technique and form, reducing the chances of overstraining muscles or joints. The combination of strength training, balance exercises, and stretching will improve your flexibility and movement patterns. This routine will increase circulation and improve your energy levels, making you feel more vibrant throughout the day. 10 minutes of movement gives you time to connect with your body and boost your mental health. As we age, it's essential to focus on the quality of our movement rather than just the quantity. The goal should be to stay active, feel energized, and improve our strength, not to exhaust ourselves or risk injury by pushing too hard. The key is finding simple, effective ways to stay active and incorporate movement into your daily routine, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day. For older individuals, especially those over 70, this 10-minute hack can be the difference between feeling stiff and achy or feeling stronger, more flexible, and empowered. So, give it a try. Make it a daily habit and watch how you transform over time. You'll feel better in your body, have more energy, and improve your overall health. All with just 10 minutes of focused effort every single day. As we age, we often focus on the challenges our bodies face, aching joints, decreased energy, and loss of flexibility. But what if I told you that a small daily effort could make a monumental difference in your health and well-being? By committing to just 10 minutes a day of targeted movement, you'll not only feel stronger and more flexible, but you'll also boost your energy levels, improve your mental clarity, and reduce the risk of injury. This isn't about pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion. It's about finding a routine that works for your body, gives you strength, and allows you to live your best life. The results will speak for themselves. Don't wait. Take control of your health today.